nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will cook beef enoki mushroom wraps. This is just gonna be easy, so let's begin. Here are the ingredients that we need. First, let's make our marinade. Use 3 tablespoons of coco aminos. Then add the ginger and garlic. Mix it well. Then put some pepper. Mix it again. Soak the beef for about 20 minutes. You can also add some sugar or any sweetener if you want it to be sweeter. After 20 minutes, we can now wrap our enoki mushrooms. Let's now add some oil to our preheated frying pan. Then fry the wraps for 5 to 7 minutes in medium heat. After frying, just add some sesame seeds and spring onion on top, and it's now ready to be served. So delicious! Try it and enjoy. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.